Welcome back. So today I have some of the best deals for Black Friday that I found on Amazon on tools. Of course, we'll go over the price history just to verify that they are actually good deals. And I have a couple to start with from Woot, which is an Amazon company. No price tracking history, but they seem like really good deals and they do tend to sell out. So this first one is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hex Impact Driver Kit. It's $99.99. But the deal on Woot today is you get an extra 20% off purchases in the Woot app. So for this Milwaukee M12 drill with 2 batteries, chargers, or impact driver kit, it's $99.99, but if you get 20% off, it's going to come out to about $80. So that seems like a pretty decent deal. And then here's this DeWalt 20 volt max XR brushless cordless half-inch hammer drill driver kit. It's $174. It comes with the battery, the charger, the drill, and the bag. And of course, you'd get an extra 20% off, which would be $34 off. So you'd get this for about $140. And this is the DeWalt 20 volt XR. And then just to show you some of the deals, which I wish I would have gotten to you sooner, that have already sold out. There was this Milwaukee M12 ratchet with variable speed. It's $57.99, an extra 20% off. Would have been at least like $11 off, so you get it for about $46. So you can see these deals are selling out, and it's not just tools; it's anything on the app, an extra 20% off. So that's definitely something to check out. Moving on to the Amazon, so here we have the Wera 3800 watt inverter generator, electric start, RV ready, portable and super quiet with fuel shut off. It's $529.99, 35% off, according to the price history. It's at its best price, about 3-4 years of history. It is down about, well, it looks like it averaged about $700, so about $170 off. So pretty decent deal on this Wera generator. Here we have Stahlwille, a 3/8" drive quick release ratchet, reversible 30-tooth quick release, a safety lock and 2-component handle, perfect for various tiny work. So $54.89, Stahlwille, German company. Of course, a very reputable brand, but very pricey. So not surprised that this $54, but according to the price history, this normally averages about $87. And it looks like recently, pretty close to just under $90. So 87 sounds right. And it is all the way down to $54.89. So these are excellent ratchets. Next, we have the Wera Kraftform Micro 12 Electronics 1 Screwdriver set. These rarely go on sale. And it doesn't have that big of a discount, but to see it have a discount is something that I normally don't see. So it shows 13% off, $65.20. According to the price history, this averages $77. And looks like recently it's averaged over $80 over the last year. Recently dropped to under $80, but now it's down to its best price in the last 4 years to $65.20. So pretty decent deal. Some more Wera here, the Wera Impact socket set. It's a 1/2" drive, 9 pieces. Again, these rarely go on sale. Again, it's probably because they're pricey. But these show $74, even 15% off. Looks like these have been out for about 4 years, averaging $87. More recently, it looks like it's about $87. Looks like last year, around this time, they did go down in price. But they are down to $74, which again, it's its best price. It easily averages close to $90, and in the past, higher than that. So pretty good savings on these Wera impact sockets, and obviously super high quality. Next, we have this TEKTON 1/4" slotted 1.5" stubby screwdriver made in the USA. Of course, TEKTON, $3.12, showing 55% off. According to the price history, normally averages $9, but looks like it's been pretty close to about the $5, but down from there. So not huge savings, but huge savings relatively for a small stubby screwdriver. Next, we have the Wiha slotted and Phillips insulated screwdriver set, 1000-volt and Klein tools, wire cutter. So it's like a little combo Klein and Wiha, which is interesting. Wire cutter and wire stripper showing $60.67. That's a pretty cool combination. And according to the price history, this seems new. Oh, it does have About 2 years of history. It looks like it's averaged over $70 for most of its time, or for about half the time it's been on Amazon, and about $68 more recently, but it's down to $60.67, which is its best price on Amazon. Here we have the Porter Cable 20-volt max 18 gauge brad nailer kit with battery and charger. It's showing 34% off for this Black Friday deal, $139 even. And according to the price history, it normally averages about $206. Eyeball test, that seems about right, but it's gone up in price recently. Looks like last Black Friday came down to this price. Has gone down to this price once before, last Black Friday, but here we are again at this price. But it is the best price for this Porter Cable brad nailer. And now we'll jump into, unless I'm mistaken, this is similar. Here's the Aerostar MERV 8 pleated air filters, AC furnace air filter 4-pack. I figured I'd put this on here because most people tend to need air filters, and if they're on sale, it doesn't matter when you buy them, you're going to use them. So this is showing 28% off, $21.10. Of course, if this is the right size. According to the price history, these average normally $32. Look, kind of eyeball testing, it's just above just below $30 roughly. Of course, it fluctuates in price, but it is down to its best price at the $21.10. Next, we have the Bosch self-leveling cross-line laser. I feel like I have seen this one before, but it keeps popping up and it keeps being at its lowest price. This includes 3 AA batteries, magnetic mounting bracket, laser target plate, hard carrying case, showing 47% off and $79. And according to the price history, it normally averages $138. So I take that back. So before, if this has been on here before, it hasn't been this low of price, and it does look like it has extensive history. So about 7 years of history, and it's down to $79 when it averages $138. At least by the eyeball test, it's about $130. So pretty deep savings on this Bosch self-leveling crossline. Next, we have this Freud-Diablo Avanti 60-tooth fine finish circular saw blade. It's $7.88. Shows lowest price in 30 days, 63% off. And according to the price history, which is a little bit about a year and a half of history, this thing has always been over $20, closer to $25, and it's down to $7.88. So an excellent deal. It says it's recommended for hardwood, softwood, plywood, molding, MDF. So this would be the time to get this if you're going through these often. Next up, some more Bosch. Here's the 100-foot Blaze laser distance measure. Includes 2 AA batteries, showing 26% off. Black Friday deal, $36.80. The history on this is showing that it normally averages about $48, and it looks like at least the last few months it was close to $48. Dropped coming here towards November, but it is at its best price recently, down to that $36.80. Here we have the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless impact wrench, 1/2 inch, bare tool only, $199. So definitely still pretty pricey, 43% off. And according to the price history, looks like it averages $232.44, and it shows a history of about a year and a little bit over 2 years, but it is down to its lowest price that it's been on Amazon. So potential deal here with the DeWalt 1/2 inch bare tool only. Next, we have the Gerber gear multi-tool utility pocket knife, EDC razor knife with retractable blade. I did see a few different other Gerber's knives that were on sale, not just this one. So definitely check out the Gerber store if you're interested in some of those deals. But it's showing 50% off, $15 even. According to the price history, it averages $23, and looks like that's roughly accurate. And it is down to its best price at the $15 for Black Friday. Next, we have the DeWalt 20 volt max XR jigsaw, 3200 blade speed, cordless, brushless motor, LED light, bare tool only. It's showing $114.66, 52% off. And according to the price history, it averages $171, which is pretty expensive. Eyeball test looks like, yeah, about $160. It has been down in price in July of 2023, but it is down to its best price again, at least on Amazon, down to $114.66. So pretty big savings on this DeWalt Max XR jigsaw. Here we have the Bosch Wood 12-amp router tool combo kit, 2.25 horsepower plunge router, fixed base with variable speed motor, $169 even, showing that it's a Black Friday deal, 32% off, $169 according to the price history. At least eyeball test. This is extensive. It's just from 2009. It's wild to see that there's a tool of that age. I'm assuming it's been updated, maybe not. But 15 years of history. Looks like in the first 8 to 10 years, it averaged about $200. And more recently, in the last 3 to 4 years, it's gone up in price, averaged about $220. Shows average of $246, which I don't see how that is accurate. But that being said, it's down to $169 for this Bosch amp router tool combo kit. Continue. So this is going to go away from the tools and more towards home goods, but they're items that I think are pretty valuable in the sense of they're convenient, good to have, and the things that I kind of have here at my home, and they're on sale. So here we have the electric kettle tea kettle, temperature control with 6 temperature settings, Paris Rhone 1.7 liters, glass and stainless steel, heated touch control, LED with screen, yada yada yada. It's a water boiler, but it's 15% off, $24.46, and it looks like a really nice one. And according to the price history, looks like it's averaged over the last a little bit less than a year, probably close to about $30. Shows average of $40. It has gone up in price the last couple months, but it is down to $24.46, which is its best price. So a pretty decent deal. And next we have these portable chargers. There's a couple here. They're from Belkin. Portable chargers, of course, are very convenient to have. Take anywhere for that extra power if your devices are running low. It's a portable charger, USB-C power bank. This is 20K with 1 USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports. Of course, for any phone that uses USB-C, it's showing 50% off, $20. Battery capacity again is at 20,000. Excellent deal. I have a lot of battery chargers, and having them is super convenient, and it's great to get them at an even more convenient price. So for this Belkin, which is a reputable brand, they average, or this one has averaged $36, and it's down to $20. So that 50% off is relatively accurate for this portable charger. And then here we have the 10,000 capacity power pack. Belkin again. This is also showing 50% off. This is $15 for this portable charger. So again, pretty decent deal. Looking at the price history on this one, it averages $27. Looks like clearly over the last couple of years, basically it stayed at $30 with the exception of a few moments, but it is all the way down to $15. So good deal on this portable charger. And then here we have a Maelstrom cooler backpack, 50 can isolated soft backpack cooler, portable, lightweight, leak proof, and having like lunch boxes like this, whether you're taking it to work or going out, to be able to keep some items or perishables cool, is always super convenient. So good buy on this one. It's showing 27% off, $31.30, and according to the price history, looks like it's fluctuated quite a bit, but it averages over the last 2 years essentially $40, and it is down to $30. So at least 25% off, or yeah, pretty close, 27% off on this cooler backpack. And then next, I'm a fan of Hydro Flask. I know there's a lot of companies or brands that make these type of insulated water bottles, but Hydro Flask I stand behind. I've had them. They're a great product, and they keep your stuff hot and or cold, and they're on sale. So this is the Hydro Flask wide mouth vacuum insulated stainless steel water bottle with leak proof for cold drinks, sports, travel, car, school. Super convenient, great brand, great product. I trust them. I know there's other ones. They're on sale, 25% off, $29.96. According to the price history, of course. Well, this one doesn't show any months, but they normally, and this checks out on the what I've purchased them at. They normally sell for about $40, but they're on sale for $29.96, so about 25% off on not just this Hydro Flask, but any of the other sizes as well. If you're a big drinker of water, it's not updating the price. Let's see. Let's click on one of these. Or one of these. Interesting. Oh yeah. So it looks like they're 25% off all around. And then last but not least, we have this Phillips Hue 1-pack Go portable table lamp for indoor-outdoor use. I'm a fan of lights. They're just kind of fun, especially when you have different color lights that you can put around your house. They're a good time. I don't know why I have a fascination with lights, but this lamp I thought was super cool. It is very pricey, but it is on sale. So Black Friday, this Philips Hue 1-pack lamp with Alexa and Apple and Google Assistant compatible, 34% off, $105. According to the price history, it averages $136, but it is down here in the last few months, a little bit down to about $120, and now it is down to $105 for its best price on Amazon. And with that, I hope these deals are helpful to you. I hope you are able to save some money here on this Black Friday. Happy shopping, happy Thanksgiving. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.